So today's question is that during the networking call or networking dinners, do the consulting companies evaluate me? Of course, consulting companies would evaluate you during the networking call or networking dinner. And that's fair only. Look at it from this perspective. Why do you request for a networking call? Or why do you ask consulting companies to invite you for the networking dinner? So in the official communication, you might say that I would like to know the culture of the company, I would like to get to know a few people, etc. But the real reason is that you would like to get interview calls from that company. So you would like the company to like you and then take the process forward and get you to the interview level, etc. So if that's your purpose, right, what's wrong in consulting companies or the consultants on the call to evaluate you? Okay, see from the other perspective, very financial perspective. Okay, so most of the top consulting companies, if you say the billing rate, hourly billing rate of the consultant, they are in thousands of the dollars, right? So if they are going to invest 30 minutes or 45 minutes with you, do you think they are going to just do it for chit chat? Of course not. So your behavior, your communication, your stories, all are getting observed, getting evaluated. They might not say it, but informally it is getting evaluated. So don't take these networking calls or meetings lightly. Be completely prepared. Put your best foot forward so that you get noticed and you get forward in the interview process or the recruitment process. Okay. So I hope this answers your question. All the very best and thanks a lot.